Microsoft 365 Copilot is Microsoft's AI platform built specifically for modern work. It integrates directly with the Microsoft 365 apps you use every day, works with your organization's data, supports multiple AI models and intelligent agents, and is designed with enterprise-grade security and governance from the ground up. The intelligence behind Copilot is powered by WorkIQ. Today's work doesn't happen in just one place. Information is spread across emails, documents, meetings, chats, and business applications. Copilot brings everything together by providing the same AI experience across the entire Microsoft 365 ecosystem, helping you stay productive wherever you're working. In apps like Excel, Copilot makes working with data much easier. Instead of building everything manually, you can simply describe what you need. Copilot understands your spreadsheet, creates formulas, builds pivot tables, generates charts, and analyzes live business data in just seconds. But many business processes involve more than a single task. That's where Copilot Co-Work comes in. It can manage longer, multi-step activities, from organizing your weekly priorities to helping complete monthly budget reviews, allowing you to focus on more strategic work. When your information is scattered across different tools, Copilot notebooks provide a single collaborative workspace. Collaboration is also improved during meetings. Facilitator in Microsoft Teams captures key discussion points, helps turn conversations into clear decisions, and identifies follow-up actions so everyone stays aligned after the meeting ends. That's why Microsoft 365 Copilot supports multiple AI models, allowing you to use the best one for each scenario. Features like Critique and Researcher combine the strengths of different models. One creates the initial draft while another reviews, improves, and refines the result to produce a higher quality output. Copilot can also generate multiple versions of the same response, making it easy to compare different approaches and choose the one that best fits your needs. You can install agents directly from the Agent Store, quickly build your own using Agent Builder with simple natural language prompts, or create more advanced solutions in Copilot Studio. With Agent 365, administrators can review every deployed agent, manage access, monitor activity, and apply governance policies from a centralized interface, giving organizations greater confidence and control over their AI environment. By combining WorkIQ, advanced AI models, and intelligent agents into one platform, Microsoft 365 Copilot helps turn ideas into action, right where work happens. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more videos ahead about Microsoft technologies and how they can help your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.